See in 100 seconds, strings. C doesn't have a string type. A string is just a char array with a null terminator at the end. String.h gives you the functions to work with them: length, copy, compare. Double quotes create a char array automatically. C adds the \0 for you. Strlen counts the characters before the null terminator. Alice is 5. You can't assign strings with equals. strcpy copies one into another buffer. Strcmp compares two strings. 0 means they're equal. Negative means the first one comes first alphabetically. Name is Alice, length 5, copy matches, and apple comes before banana. Next up, user input.